Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Steam error code E87. The first thing you should try is changing the compatibility settings for Steam. Go to your Steam shortcut, right-click it, and choose Properties. In the window that opens, go to the Compatibility tab. Turn on the option that says Run this program in compatibility mode. Choose Windows 8 from the list. Also, turn on Run this program as administrator. After that, press Apply and then OK. Now try starting Steam again and see if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, try the next method. Go to the Steam shortcut again, right-click it, and select Properties. Look for the field called Target. Highlight the full path written in that box and copy it. After you copy it, open your Start menu and search for Run. Open the Run box, paste the path you copied, and at the end of it, type a / and then the word Repair. When you press Enter, Steam will launch a repair process. This will fix any damaged Steam files and help Steam start normally again. If Steam still shows the same error after the repair, then the last method is to reinstall Steam. Open your Start menu, search for Steam, and right-click on it. Choose Uninstall. You can also uninstall it from the control panel if you prefer. After it is removed, go to the Steam website, download the installer again, and install Steam fresh on your PC. After you install Steam again, the error E87 should be fixed, and Steam should open without any issues. Thanks for watching.